Righto folks, I've just wired it in. I probably should have put it on a switch because you'll hear when I hit the key in a minute, just on the accessories, you'll hear, we'll call her Nancy, pair with the phone straight away, but that's a minor. We can put that on a switch later on.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You'll notice it's connected. Now if we go to our, say, our internet music, oh yeah, a bit of Rob Zombie. So control the volume. For that matter, we could probably watch a YouTube. Oh, hello.
Our 10th annual pedestrian belly flop competition. We go out on the street, we grab people passing by, minding their own business. We have them take off their clothes and jump into a pool on television.
There we go. That's coming through.
It's like our version of the Olympics, but
dash.
fatter. So that's the pool in back of our theater. That's where people will be jumping. In front of our theater, we have my cousin Sal. Cousin Sal, hey, how you doing? We're looking what's happening. Sal is right now looking for people who are willing to strip down and flop into the pool. And do you have candidates for us?
I do. I think this guy's going to be great. Come on in.
Okay, all right. Well, how you doing?
This could get interesting. We'll come back to that later.
Where are you going?
I got to take them outside.
Oh, okay, all right.
You see, we can play anything that's in your music. And you'll see that's actually hidden underneath the factory speaker vent. I must thank Paul Brandon for the chrome vent he got organised for me. Very much appreciated. Thanks, mate. Alrighty, see yous.